So today we will learn about exchange in case of AS10. Yes, there is exchange of goods and services. So in case of exchange of goods and services, there are mostly five cases. In one case, there are transfer exchange of assets. Like sorry, we give assets and we receive assets. So let's see. In first case, we give assets and the giving asset has a face value, but here we have, let's say, book value. So we consider the face value. Similarly, in the second case, if we have a book value of the asset, but here we have the face value of the asset, so we consider the face value of the asset. In third case, let's say we have the face value of this two and we have the face value of this two. So we क्या करेंगे, now we will take the more evident one. So in our case, the more evident is the one which is lesser. Let's say this was 9 and this was 8, so we will consider this guy over here. And the next thing, okay, now there are two cases where we don't consider the f value. One is the case where both of them don't have an f value. So we have book value over here, book value over here. So now we don't have any book value, now we don't have any face value to consider, so we'll consider based on the book value. So we'll consider based on the book value. This, let's say this is unlisted, consider over the book value. And this was the fourth case. And the fifth case and the last case, is when let's say both has book value or both have face value, but there is one point mentioned over here which is lack of commercial substance. Now what does lack of commercial substance mean? Is when this exchange don't have any effect in the books of accounts. So this exchange, the case where we don't have any effect on the book value on the books of accounts, so therefore it lacks commercial substance. In this case क्या होता है कि ये जो face value है, it becomes irrelevant. So if there is a lack of commercial substance, face value cancel हो जाता है and the remaining we consider on the book value. That's it. So these were the 5 cases.